Alright, what's going on, guys? Back at it with a quick video today. So, for the 4th of July weekend, went down to Florida, ended up playing a little bit of golf with my dad and my brother. And my brother brought a little surprise exploding golf ball. So, obviously, the idea was we tee it up for pops, unsuspecting, exploding golf ball, hilarious. Didn't quite go to plan. He was a little suspicious that something was going on, and he actually called it, even though I don't think he really knew. He made a joke about it being an exploding golf ball, so he kind of called it and ruined it a little bit, but there was still some genuine surprise. So, without further ado, here's a quick little video, exploding golf ball prank on Pops.
In the brush.
No, that's not a good ball.
That's a rain. Come on, look.
Terrible.
All right,
Here, tee it up for him nice. Here,
That's in the
here, come on.
Here, take the ball. Reg, tee him up.
Here, look.
Wait.
Explosive ball, right?
It's a range ball.
I knew it. Give me a real one. Come on, man. Just ripped my club.
How's the driver? Here.
Is that another one?
No, that's a real range ball.
Go.
Put on tee.
Let's
No,
go.
he called it.